So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good, buddy. So,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
I read your question like you were having some doubts related to like whether you should choose US or Ireland. I guess that's the main question, I guess.
yes.
Okay. So, see,
Yeah. Like I want to pursue masters in data science. Yeah,
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So that's what like I was. First of all, it was US only.
Mm-hmm.
But when the idea of Ireland came, like I was a bit skeptical about choosing Ireland because I didn't have much info.
Mm-hmm.
So, like right now, after meeting some consultancies, they are like, yeah, Ireland is pretty good and all.
Mm-hmm.
So then I went on comparing the courses and all.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I wanted to keep my options open. Like,
Okay.
how is Ireland as compared to US? Like, depending upon the course, the job opportunity, or if I want to do further research, like if at all I want to go for a PhD or something like that.
Okay, so what I was saying is that even I was in the same situation. Like I was
Oh, yeah.
planning to
Okay.
go to US, then someone suggested me Ireland, and then I actually started looking into the universities in Ireland. So
Okay.
I came up with like many advantages when compared to US. Of course, US is like still
Okay.
the best country to be in for the
Okay. Yeah.
uh, for masters if you have a very good profile, but.
Yeah.
I would say like still give a thought for Ireland. See, I'll give you five
Yeah.
reasons that why actually I choose. I actually wrote something because I wanted
Okay.
to send you details, but I was not getting time for that. So sorry
Yeah.
for
That's
that.
no. That's absolutely fine.
So the first thing is that we get a single year
Yeah.
masters. So that's an
Yeah.
advantage because in US most of the courses are of 2 years,
2 years.
and
Yeah.
here the normal course, it's not like you are doing any specialization kind of thing. It's a full year masters that you get in a single year, and the same
Yes.
pattern goes in UK also. So in UK and Ireland they follow the 1 year masters. Okay.
Okay.
The first one was that. Then the next thing was the cost. I actually didn't wanted to spend so much money in the masters. So when I compared both the cost,
Yes. Yes.
so 2 years is
Yeah.
like always the
Yeah.
double the cost, because in Ireland we are spending
Yeah.
everything for a single year, and for US we are spending for 2 years. So that was the thought I considered, and then the cost. So the total expenditure comes depending on the college. So in case you have so there are different type of universities and colleges in Ireland. So there are some specialized universities like.
Okay.
There are seven universities, and then there are some colleges. So colleges fees are less compared to universities, and yeah,
Okay.
universities are often regarded as a good university. So Trinity, I'm currently studying in Trinity. So that was one thing. So when you go to a bigger universities
Yeah. Yeah. I read that.
like
Yeah.
Trinity and UCD, they have a
Yeah.
higher fees. The fees was like something like 17 or
Yes.
18 lakh for an year. Okay, that you can
Okay.
check it down. But yeah, and the cost of living would
Yeah.
come near 7 to 8 lakhs, I guess. Yeah. So the total cost was something
Okay.
near 23 to 24 lakhs, and for US it was
Okay.
high, not in my range. So that's why I considered.
Yeah.
The other thing is basically no, most of people don't know this, but the tech industry in Ireland is good. So I
Okay.
even didn't knew that before I started
Okay.
investigating in that. So try searching around Dublin and Ireland tech industry. You will
Okay.
understand like it's a good, because the thing is government here actually have given tax benefits to some of the companies. So some of the companies to establish their headquarters, European headquarters here. So most of the
Okay.
IT companies have some presence just because government is giving them tax benefit. So because of that, and now they have like
Benefits.
most of the company, you name
Yeah.
it, like company like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Stripe, everyone is here, so have
Yeah.
some presence in Ireland. So that's the other thing. Then
Okay.
the stayback period is also a good option, because we get stayback of 2 years in Ireland when compared to
Yeah.
US. So that was also one of the things. And yeah,
Yeah.
the last thing was I didn't have a very good profile. I mean, I had very like it ranges from average to above average profile. So
Okay.
getting a good a very good university in US was not that easy. So I
Okay.
thought like, why not go to the best university in Ireland and try to do that. So luckily I got
Yeah.
Trinity. So
Yeah, that's actually it has a very good ranking. That's what I compared it in QS.
mm,
So like it is actually above most of the famous universities of US that
correct.
we go into. Yeah.
So the top two university over here is basically Trinity and UCD. So in case you
Okay.
are more concerned, mostly people are more concerned about jobs after the masters. So
Yeah.
for that, UCD is still like the is still above the Trinity, because UCD
Okay.
in UCD in the final semester you can do internship, which is not actually allowed, or what we say, because
Huh.
Trinity is, you can say Trinity is more research oriented, and UCD is like more career oriented, that I can say. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
UCD, you have, so in masters we have to make dissertation, we have for the final semester, okay, that every
Okay.
master's student have to do. But
Okay.
UCD give you an advantage that you can, in case you want, you can do an internship with some company, and then you
Huh.
don't have to do a dissertation. So that's actually
Okay.
advantage for both. The student can actually convert that internship into a full-time job, maybe, if
Okay.
it's good. But
Okay.
in Trinity, you have
Yeah.
to actually make the dissertation. You can do the internship on your means on the side, but it's like you have
Yeah.
to still do your dissertation. But
Okay.
the see, it's not been like, I have been here since 45 days only, but
Okay.
the reputation that Trinity have is like, it's not, it's good. It's like IITs in India. You can
Yeah.
understand
Yeah.
it, right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
everyone will like look for, means the reputation is quite good over here for Trinity.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in case, yeah, you mentioned that you are also looking for research thing. So
Yeah.
in case you are looking, means Trinity has a good name for research. So
Yeah.
basically I think they get the highest funding for research and all those kind of stuff. So I would say,
Okay.
in case you are actually opting for research kind of thing, try to
Yeah.
apply to Trinity and try to get into that. Otherwise,
Okay.
UCD, for the career perspective, UCD is the best. Then comes the
Yeah.
Trinity. That's the
Okay.
thing. So yeah, this is the whole summary of the thing that I wanted to tell
Okay.
you.
So you chose Trinity over UCD, right?
No, no, no. So I didn't have the best profile, so I didn't got into UCD. So
Okay.
I was, I mean, early I wasn't actually under the impression that I need to do a PhD or things like that. But now,
Okay.
like I have, and I can see people in Trinity, and they are awesome people, and they are working on many cool projects, and they all are
Okay.
doing PhD and all. So I don't know
Okay.
what I'll do later on, but yeah. So I didn't get admitted to UCD. I got admitted to
Okay.
Trinity, and then I choose this.
Okay. I heard that Trinity is much more like competitive. Getting into it is more difficult than UCD because
No, the thing is, uh, the UCD is like what we have. So ranking wise, everything is Trinity is like above
yeah.
UCD, but
Yeah.
the only thing that actually mostly Indians, or we all look, because we have invested so much money that we can get a job
Yeah.
after the completion of masters. So in that
Okay.
case, UCD gives you a better advantage, and that's why most of the
Okay.
student actually, there are many students who will prefer UCD over Trinity, and that's the same reason.
Hello.
Hello, can you?
Sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, what I was saying is,
I
because of
didn't
the
hear that. Can you just repeat?
yeah, because of the
Yeah.
career thing, UCD has
Yeah.
some advantage. So mostly, I know that if you say like 100 people applied for UCD, then I would say
Okay.
UCD has a what we say, then 80 people would apply to Trinity. Like UCD has a more demand according to Indian students. It's like that. I didn't get
Okay.
into UCD because I was not.
Okay.
I didn't have a good percentage, and my percentage was, I guess, 63 or 64. I did from Pune University. So,
Okay.
so yeah. But for UCD, you need to have a very good profile for both, I guess. So you need to have a good profile. But
Hel-
can you hear me? Mm,
Hello.
yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. I can hear you.
So
Yeah,
yeah,
in between, just the voice keeps going down and up like
no
that.
worries, it happens. So
Yeah.
see, in short, if you are more career oriented, try to get into UCT. If you are more research oriented, or what we say, if you wanted to go ahead with
Yeah.
PhD and all, keep
Yeah.
keep Trinity at first preference. I would say that.
Okay. But I guess, like, as far as the jobs are concerned,
Mhm.
the students at Trinity would be at par with students at UCD, right?
No, the thing is, there's also one parameter, that is employment parameter, that QS
Okay.
also gives that. So you will see
Okay.
that UCD ranks above TCD in that parameter actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's like the thing is, uh, Trinity as a whole institution doesn't care like whether your student is getting placed or not. They will give you that education, and they know that the because of the brand and all, student will
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
but yeah, in case, see if you are a fresher, I means if somebody is fresher and who is just coming here direct, then it would be hard
Yeah.
for someone with very less experience to get into a good company, just using
Okay.
the name of the college.
College.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's like
Yeah.
and UCD, most of the students get the internship. Like if they have a batch of, I don't know, I guess 60 or
Okay.
something. But yeah, UCD,
Okay.
most of the because they have a career cell and they have some tie-up with companies.
Yeah.
I guess I don't have
Okay.
much detail about that, but I have
Okay.
heard that mostly all of them get the internships.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the like course at TCD? Like, do they have programming modules? Because I asked one guy, so he was like, the course feels a bit rushed as it's a 1 year course.
Mhm.
And no, they don't have programming modules as such. You have to like do it on your own.
Yeah, the thing is, yeah, so they expect you to have some understanding or knowledge about programming. So
Okay.
so I'm currently completing all the assignments, and also it's good that if you will have some, means you still have 1 year. So what I would suggest
Yeah.
is try to come here in case you are coming here, or even to any other university. It would be
Yeah.
always advantage to have learn some Python coding or R coding, because that
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
actually help you to complete assignments, because
Yeah.
you won't be having that much time when you arrive here.
Okay.
Because
Yeah. Because I'm working in Geo, so there actually I'm working on Python and PySpark only.
okay, that's good. Then that would actually add an advantage, because
Yeah.
you have a background of data science. Then I guess
Yeah.
getting a job also later on after the masters, you can get that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So these were the doubts that actually I wanted to get addressed.
Yeah. So what I have, so the thing is, the
Yeah.
placement and all those things doesn't work like in India. So normally
Yeah.
university doesn't help you. They will have a career fair kind of thing. So
Okay.
career fair is something like what you say, companies will come at a place. They will just
Yeah.
give you details like we are the tech company. We have places, means we have requirement for developer or XYZ position, but they
Okay.
but they will tell you that you have to apply from their website. So it's like so it's a little odd for people like us in India, that what is the whole purpose of
Yeah.
actually having career fair. So that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
They will just tell you the details, and they will tell you to just directly apply from the company website. So you can do that same
Yeah.
thing from sitting at home. So that's the way how it works over here. But still, I think it's a good place. I took a good decision coming over here. So yeah.
Okay. So you're basically like liking the course and all.
Yeah, so course is not that easy. Means in case you are,
Okay.
what I say, in case you are hardworking, you will be able to make it. But it's not that
Okay.
easy. You will get assignment like every week we have assignments, and
Okay.
it's not an easy course where you will think that you can do part time or those stuff also. So I would say
Okay.
if you are planning to come here, take means
Yeah.
consider that you won't be doing part time for a year or so. We have like 1 month gap in between the semester, so it's like
Okay.
2 months gap between each semester. So yeah, total
Okay.
of 2 months. So we can
Okay.
work on that time. But yeah, I would say don't consider that, because you would be either means completing the assignments or working on the stuff that you actually like, or
Yeah.
you will be searching for a job, I guess. So these are the things that
Okay.
mostly everybody do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. So like basically the does the like you are enrolled in data science, right?
Yes.
So does it has machine learning courses and neural networks courses?
Yeah, they have that. But
Okay.
see, the thing is,
Yeah.
don't consider it like they will teach you everything. It's like more like they will give you,
Yeah.
means they come to the it's like first of all, attendance is not compulsory in Trinity. Okay. So
Okay.
they don't care even if you don't go to a single class. They just want like you get the assignment done. But there are classes that keeps on going,
Okay.
but don't have the higher expectation from
Okay.
those classes. So want they actually think that whoever is coming to Trinity is good enough, can actually work on the stuff and those kind of thing. So I would say that
Okay.
keep that, means don't leave things for later part, that okay, professor will teach me this. They will help you, but they are not going to teach
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Okay.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So it's like sort of an applied course where like I
Yeah.
already have prior knowledge and I have to
Yeah.
apply in projects and all.
Yeah, that's why it means it's better to have some experience before, because I know, like
Exactly. Yeah.
in India mostly we don't actually start coding when we are in an undergraduate program. So that's
Yes,
why
yes.
I mostly suggest students like that at least get some experience, and then because once you are in industry, you start working and all, the environment and all
Yeah.
everything. So that's the
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Okay. So we have like projects in Trinity that involves machine learning, neural networks and all those.
Yeah, we have many of them. Like, so the thing is, so see, currently I'm enrolled to machine learning course. That is,
Okay.
so they have like they are giving continuous assignments also, and then
Okay.
we have to make a group project also. So it's like,
Okay.
and the requirement for now is that you need to make a group project,
Hello.
and don't. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the requirement is that you need to actually make a group project,
Hello. Yeah.
but don't actually focus on the code. Focus on the how you are going to build the machine learning project and stuff like
Okay.
that. It's a first semester, I
Okay.
guess. That's why maybe
Okay.
later on they will introduce in the second semester that you have to build a full solution, and then of course
Okay.
the final dissertation you will be
Okay.
you will have to give your dissertation topic. That's okay, I'm interested in this topic, or you can
Okay.
collaborate with some professors for the work, because many professors are doing many interesting stuff. So you have to
Okay. Yeah.
collaborate with them, and then they actually give you details
Yeah.
like, okay, these are the things that we are working, you want to work with us, or you want to have this
Okay.
as your dissertation topic, then you can help them and you can get the information or knowledge.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so basically the course structure is very similar to like I have some of my friends in University of Minnesota at US.
Okay.
So there also they are like the course is quite theoretical, like machine learning is all mathematical. Hello.
uh, I think your voice is breaking, but yeah, I got you. So yeah, the course is
Yeah,
they.
yeah.
So see, what actually the university want us to means, see, the thing is anybody can code. Like you must have
Yeah, yeah.
realized that, but you have to actually understand why. Means we are doing the course of data science,
E-
so you have to
Exactly.
understand like why actually that is happening. Anybody can use the packages and all, and can
Exactly, exactly.
pass
Yeah.
the arguments, and but you
Right,
need to
right, right.
understand how actually it is happening. So that's the thing
Right.
that actually university gives importance to. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, because in the company that I'm using is using like basically scikit-learn packages, or in PySpark I'm using MLlib packages, and simply like just using the algos without actually like coding it from scratch. So
Yeah, so the thing what will happen here is, yeah, in the starting they will tell you to means, because see, we got a assignment for linear regression, and then we have to
okay,
actually means there are some snippets that we need to complete, and then that's the assignment. But yeah,
okay,
uh, what I would say is don't expect too much from the university. Still, like
yeah,
you have to means you have to be prepared like this. Okay, you have a single year. Now you can actually
Yeah.
understand like what is actually happening inside the package or something like that. Because
Okay. Yes.
in the
Yes.
end, in the company also we will be using packages only once you are graduated from masters. But in
Okay.
this single year, you can actually think like actually why we passed that argument instead of other argument or
Yeah.
other
Right. Right.
parameters. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's nice. So, like you, so what's the requirement? Like one SOP and two LORs, right?
Yeah, I think that's the main requirement, I guess. I had somewhere written that. Let me just check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I don't have it now, but yeah. So the thing
Okay.
they require is one SOP and two LOR. I think you
Yeah.
can get one from the professor and one from
Yeah. One
your
from the
managers.
workplace.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
uh, these are the two main things. Other than that, you need a IELTS or
TOEFL.
your TOEFL score. So have
Yeah.
you given any test yet?
Yeah. Yeah. I've given TOEFL as well as GRE.
Okay, so that's fine. So you can actually apply with TOEFL. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
yeah, my final words would be like do the research on Ireland only, because I understand like I
Yeah.
means we always follow the herd mentality. Like most of the people are going to US and it's like
Yeah.
that. So just try to research on the other things, because I also did that same thing. But
Yes. Yes.
somehow someone suggested me that you can think of Ireland also, and I
Yeah.
think up till now it's a good decision. I don't know how it would be after completing my masters, but
Okay.
let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. So the internships mostly or the job the procedure starts from the third semester, I guess, right?
uh, you can apply today also, because see there's one program that's graduate Ireland program that goes on over here. So for that,
Okay.
most of the application ends till November. So in case you
Okay.
want to get into a graduate, because graduate is for the for Ireland universities, that is just people who are just graduating. So that is not for actually for experience. But yeah, some of us still apply for that because we want some security, like those kind of stuff. Okay, so yeah, so see, first thing, we can apply it today as well, and then we can get a call from company, and when we can join maybe later in the
Yeah.
what we say August, after August. But I guess the ideal
Okay.
time to apply would be what I say would be somewhere near April or March, I guess March or April.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So you had a prior like experience in data science from India itself.
Yeah, yeah. I actually had some experience. I was working as a full stack developer over there, and I had 4 years of experience earlier. It depends how you network with people, and all those kind of things come handy over
Okay.
here. Like there are opportunities, but you have to create you have to get into those, because there are many people from masters, and you have to get into
Yeah.
the you have to network with people and those stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So as of now, that's all. These are the main points that I was skeptical about for choosing Ireland that you have addressed.
Okay. Yeah, so I think yeah, let me know in case in future also you have
Yeah. So I'll, in case of any more doubts, I'll
ping me on the on LinkedIn, okay?
send you on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for devoting your time instead of, in spite of being so busy and all.
No worries, no worries. I know the pressure and things that goes in the mind when you are selecting university and so on.
Yeah.
So it happens. So okay, so nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a great day.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice.